Hello everyone, I wanted to share some good news about the next version of Stella. As many of you might know, in the previous versions you had to click and then zoom in or out using control scrolling if you're using the mouse to navigate around your work. Let me show you how it worked in the previous versions. So if you click on this stock and then you press control and use the scroll on your mouse, you see that you can zoom in and zoom out. And if you move to another place, let's say here, and if I want to zoom in, it will go back to the place that you had already clicked. And it might be frustrating if you forgot that you had clicked somewhere else. But in the upcoming version, we have made it even easier for you to navigate. Now, all you need to do is move your cursor to your desired place and use control scrolling to zoom in or out. So I move to our next version. Now, if I go here, I click here like usual, I can zoom in or zoom out. But if I move to another place, you can see that you can zoom in or out without any clicking. This will save you a lot of time and make your work much more efficient. Also, do not forget that you can use shift drag to move across the model, just like the hand gesture in PDF. So I press shift and you can see that I can move in the environment to navigate to different parts of your model. We hope you enjoy these new features and find them useful. Thank you.